Hi guys, posting. Let's see what we have today. Well wrapped, whatever we have. Here we have the Blackview BV5800. Let's have a look, see what we have. So we have the phone. Buttons on the left hand side, and this time waterproof, dustproof, SD card slot, the speakers, double camera on the rear again, fingerprint reader. Feels a nice light phone this time, it's not that heavy, I like it. We have screen protector, even though there is already one on the phone by the looks of it. We have a charger, 2-pin charger, instruction manual, some headphones, and OTD adapter, and a charging lead, a long charging lead. So there we have, that's the unboxing of the Blackview BV5800, the rugged waterproof smartphone. Stay tuned for a full review coming soon. Thank you.